Hello everyone. I am Sweta Bharadwaj. You are most welcome to Creator Tips and Tricks. Here you will watch new gadgets every day, so you are requested to subscribe to this channel, like and share the video. Let's start the gadget review. The gadget name is Scotch-Brite Plastic Kitchen Sink Brush, Silver. Friends, I recently purchased the Scotch-Brite Plastic Kitchen Sink Brush in the pack of one, and I must say it has exceeded my expectations. This brush is a game changer when it comes to cleaning my kitchen sink. Friends, this Scotch-Brite Plastic Kitchen Sink Brush is a versatile cleaning tool designed specifically for kitchen sinks. This brush, packaged in a convenient pack of one, is made from high-quality silver plastic that is durable and long-lasting. Friends, with its ergonomic design, the Scotch-Brite Kitchen Sink Brush fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for effortless cleaning. The brush features sturdy bristles that effectively remove dirt, grime, and stains from your sink surface without scratching or damaging it. Friends, firstly, the silver plastic construction of the brush is sturdy and durable. It feels comfortable in my hand and provides a good grip, making it easy to maneuver and control while cleaning. I appreciate that the brush is designed to last, ensuring that I can rely on it for long-term use. Friends, the bristles on this brush are fantastic. They are strong enough to tackle tough stains and grime, yet gentle enough to not scratch or damage the sink surface. I have used it on various materials, including stainless steel and ceramic, and it performs flawlessly on all of them. The bristles effectively remove food particles, grease, and residue, leaving my sink sparkling clean. Friends, another aspect that I love about this brush is its versatility. It works equally well with hot and cold water, allowing me to adjust the water temperature based on the cleaning task at hand. It's also a breeze to clean the brush itself. I simply rinse it under running water, and it's ready to go for the next cleaning session. Friends, here are some important data on Scotch-Brite Plastic Kitchen Sink Brush, Silver. Brand Scotch-Brite. Color Silver. Handle material plastic. Specific uses for product. Sink. Product dimensions 24L×8W×39H mm. About this item. Time specially designed to reach nook and corners of your sink. Times refillable head powered with stain cutting power. Times ergonomic handle, easy to hold and use. Times free refill inside this pack. Times can also be used on kitchen tiles, wash basins, and utensils. Friends, overall, I highly recommend the Scotch-Brite Plastic Kitchen Sink Brush. Its quality construction, effective bristles, and versatility make it an essential tool for keeping your kitchen sink clean and hygienic. Whether you're dealing with everyday messes or stubborn stains, this brush will undoubtedly get the job done with ease. You can get link in description. Here is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.